Hi, I'll show you how to make flare ruffles and how those flare ruffles can be used to achieve several designs for your turban. So let's jump right in. This is 12 by 12 inches. We're going to be measuring 5 inches around it. You can decide to do running stitches from here, but I want to make mine smaller. This time around, I'll be measuring 2.5 inches. This is what we have. You can make as many as you want, but I'm just making 2. I need to cover this place up to give me the neat finishing. I'll either use an industrial weaving machine or a bias tape. So I'm going to be using a bias tape for this particular project. I'll just cover it up like this and use a sewing machine to run it through from the beginning to the end, only on one side, but if you want to do it on both sides, it's up to you. I've covered it with the bias tape, and I'll just go in right now and do my running stitches on the side that wasn't covered with the tape. Now that both of them are ready, I'll just head for the mannequin right now and I'll basically just play with it. I'll show you how you can achieve several styles from it. So feed your eyes. I'm attaching it to a pleated turban. Once you've made up your mind on how you want it to be, just go in with the needle and thread and attach the ruffles to the turban. this is a finished work. Feel free to do whatever style and design you feel like from this design. Here are different looks you can achieve from this one design. Feel free to ask me any question.